In this tutorial, we'll talk about the types of SEO. First of all, for your kind information, I am telling you that SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. The process of ranking a website on Google first page called Search Engine Optimization. So let's come to the point on our topic, the types of SEO. Actually, there are three types of SEO. The three types of SEO are white hat SEO, black hat SEO, and the gray hat SEO. What is white hat SEO? White hat SEO. Those who rank according to Google's algorithm are called white hat SEO. Suppose you want to rank your website and you are using all the rules and regulation of Google's algorithm, and this is the white hat SEO. And you can ask me why I am talking about Google. You should know that there are lots of search engine. Among them, Google is a giant platform. Above 4 billion of people are using Google platform. So you should follow the Google, and people are benefited from Google search engine. Okay, the next is black hat SEO. Suppose you use a method by which you rank in Google but it is not supported by Google. For example, PBN. PBN is a private blog network and lots of rules which is not supported from Google. You are ranking your website through your process. You are giving backlinks from your websites. You are making lots of website and you are the author of those websites. So it is not, Google doesn't want this type of activity. Google wants another people gives you the backlink because you deserve it. So you should not give backlink from your websites to websites. And this is black hat SEO. Black hat SEO break all the Google rules. So now let's talk about what is gray hat SEO. Gray hat SEO, a combination of white hat and gray hat and black hat SEO. Sorry, I made a mistake here. Black hat SEO. Suppose you want to rank content in which you have been doing white hat SEO for the whole year, but you want to rank very quickly. In this case, you can do black hat SEO. You can make a portion of black hat SEO on your white hat SEO, but you don't need proper black hat SEO. You just need to give a little bit black hat SEO portion. This will allow you to rank faster, and this is gray hat SEO. Again, I am telling you, a combination of white hat and black hat SEO is called gray hat SEO. So that's it. This is the whole video of types of SEO. I just want to give you the information on the types of SEO. And this is a informative video for those who are newbie in SEO platform. If you want me to make this type of video, informative video day to day for your kind information, please comment below and share this to your friends and colleagues. Please share this, spread this information if this helped you. Again, I am telling you, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and comment below. Also, you can subscribe it by clicking on subscribe button. Thank you.